Protrack quick events are set up in MINDA Live. Log into MINDA Live, click on the Protrack button, go to the Quick Events tab. Here you will see all the default quick events already set up for you. These quick events can be edited or deleted. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a new quick event. We have to name this quick event. Something clear and obvious, as this name will appear on the button in Protrack. I'm going to create a health event, treating mastitis with Mastalone. Click Next. I'm going to create a health plan. Click Health Plan. Select Diagnosis, Mastitis. Clinical. Next. Select Treatment. We're going to use Mastalone in this case. Select Mastalone. Next. Number of doses required, 3 for this treatment. Amount per dose, 1 tube. Next. What's the interval between each dose? 1 day. Do you want to show the quarters affected? In this case, yes, we do want to show quarters. Separate cow from herd. Record date separated. That'll happen automatically. Withhold period. Withhold period for milk for this drug is 4 days. Withhold period for this drug for meat is 30 days. Now here's a summary of everything we've just set up. If you're happy with all that, create quick event. The quick event Mastalone 3 doses will now appear in your Protrack system.